the RTX 3080 unboxing finally. So let me make a little bit of setup here and let's just unbox this card. This card is really special to me. Oh sorry. This card is really special to me and it is not sealed. What? It's sealed. Okay. So it's not even coming in the frame. That's how big this card is. RTX 3080 and let's unbox it in front of you. I want this unboxing to be happening in front of you guys, so yeah. Let me keep the camera a little bit far away and I'm doing face cam of this card, like I'm unboxing it and like with me because this card is really special. लेते हैं अपना चाकू and let's just open its sealing. Yeah. Let's open this graphic card. Does it open or not? I guess the box does not open. Okay, so it's just gonna pull out from here. Like we have to pull the card out, and I want to do it in front of you guys. Wait, let me show you guys. So. Okay. The box is empty and this is stuff from MSI, basically stuff from MSI, and let's see what is in the package. So this is a what? MSI graphic card guide. We don't need that. And how to upgrade a graphic card, because many people are upgrading graphic cards in their old PC and stuff. And this is the MSI promotion card. This is the thank you for registering your product stuff and installation, another installation, I don't know what the fuck is that. Okay, so that was all in the box. Now let's move over to the real thing. Let me show it to you guys. Let's move over to the real thing. The reveal, finally, drum roll. 1, 2, 3, and this is the card. Hopefully I don't drop it because it will probably die. And this is the graphic card. This is the graphic card at the bottom. That's too much. So pehle, let's take this out. This is a sag bracket from MSI. Yeah, this is a sag bracket because this card is really heavy and it's a big boy. It's basically a very big graphic card. And now let's just pull it out. Ooh, it's a thick boy. It's a really thick card. I'm not even kidding. And it is really heavy compared to my 2080 Ti. My 2080 Ti is currently in my PC. But this card is like really heavy. I'm not even kidding. Look at my biceps. You can literally exercise with this card. Like bicep curls. Let's just open it. I'm gonna open it in front of you. It's a sealed card. Look, this is a MSI seal. I can just clear it off myself. Yep. And RTX 3080 boys. RTX 3080 in front of you all. Fuck, this card looks so damn hot. This card is looking so damn hot, and you can install it in any PC. Let me show you close. Just let me zoom it in. Look at the beauty of this brand new card. And also it has a 3-pin power phase. 3-pin as you can see, and this RGB line. This graphic card is really thick. And look at the number of heat pipes in this card. It's literally 6 to 7 heat pipes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, there are 5 heat pipes. So yeah, this graphic card is literally so big. So big. I don't think it will fit in my case. Maybe I have to check it out. and look at the back plate. Here is a little cooling function, like just 1 or 2% difference this will make. And this graphic card has the cheap capacitors. That is the thing I did like the asus ROG Strix, which is more expensive, has all 6 good one capacitors, but this will work too because it's a 3080 not 3090, and if I get any issues I'm just gonna give it in and change the card because yeah. So that was it in the MSI box, and yeah, this is the card as compared to my my whole hand. See, as compared to my whole hand, this card is so big. So basically that was it for the unboxing variant. Here's the card and here is the gaming PC. So we're gonna be building gaming PC, a new gaming PC in this PC case. And that was it for the all unboxing, and thanks for watching this video guys. Hopefully you liked it, and RTX 3080 builds and benchmarks and videos are coming soon. I'm literally excited. It's like literally the 20 series was so expensive and so boring. I still bought the 2080 Ti because I had to bring just one card for a long time, and I'm keeping this card. But 30 series is so exciting. The RTX 3080 performs really well at 4K, and we're gonna be running some benchmarks and everything. Thanks for watching the video guys. See you soon.